Hey guys, what's up? The brand new video here today. Now I'm going out to go on the quad. So just release. When I go to the shade, I have petrol on the quad, so hopefully she starts. It's frosty too, guys. It's good and sunny. Hopefully she starts today. Out. Here we go. So she needs petrol. She needs petrol, guys. So what's happening? I'll get the petrol now. I have the petrol here. We got her started then in the middle of the night last night at around 12. I wasn't really going to make a video on that. It was too dark. That's petrol going on now. So I think there's enough petrol now. Let's see. Hopefully she starts today. I might be going to a party today, but I don't want to go to it. I might have to. Here we go with a pole. Juke time. Right guys, so I don't think she's going to start today. This is not good, guys. She won't start, guys. Peace.